quick midweek update. Went and saw Daniel's dad. Got this laid down a little bit to suit this. Gonna put them together, make sure it's all straight, drill some new holes, put the dial indicator on that when it's in the car, spin it around, weld it up. Yeah, we'll see you then. Well, we're back for part 2.5. It's still during the week. It's only Thursday, but Stephen's gone ahead and drilled the holes for his tail shaft that he's made, which is for the front half there. He's found some bolts in his bolt bin. He's just fitting up the, what do you call that, flange? Yeah. Just lifting it up, pop it in. Have you already shaved down that? Oh, you have, I can see.
Yeah.
Easy as that. So what is it? The stock back half of the skyline shaft, a stock auto V6 VT front. Is that the V6 yoke?
This here, this is the...
No, in the gearbox.
Yeah.
That's the V6 yoke?
Yep.
What, they're the same?
Yep.
Nice. And then so on the weekend we will get the rear brakes. We bought some switches for the bitches today from J-Car. So one will be ignition. What are you going to do? Ignition, starter motor, fuel pump, and that it?
Fans.
Oh, and fans, yeah. You can run any gauges? Oil pressure? Maybe.
I will eventually.
Yeah. Beautiful. But it's all getting there. Well, Stephen's got all those 4 bolts lined up and put in. Now he's just making sure this is all true. Dumb question. Did you check it at both ends?
I never cut this end.
Oh, yep, cool. So the dial indicator basically moves up and down if anything touches it.
So whichever way that wheel's spinning now.
Yep, keep going that way.
So you have to go like at this pace.
Yep.
Okay.
Yell out go for when you want him to start.
Ready? Well, as soon as the welder starts, you start.
And you want to move it consistently the whole way around. You don't want to stop and start.
Like that?
Yeah, not that quick though.
Yeah, right.
Has to be.
Lower again.
And yeah, try not stop and start, and
I'll show you how quick. So it's got to go like this.
try and like get a mark on the wheel, Daniel, so you know when it's gone the whole way around.
Oh, so stop when it's going the whole way around.
Alright, give me another quick view. Yeah, alright.
Oh, fuck it. Way too quick.
Right. It's just initial.
I'll tell you when. Well, I've just spent 5-10 minutes drilling out and grinding out these poor rims to make them fit the Beamer, because with the spacers stick out. I didn't want to cut the bolts down on the spacers, so I cut the back of these rims. I wouldn't do it to nice rims, but they were cheap, so bad luck rims. I've already got some on the back of the Beamer, And some news, Daniel with the XR8 is going to be coming out to round 3. Liam's actually entering the Beamer tonight, so he's going to be doing the practice day, not me. We might get a cage in before the practice day so I can go passenger with Liam. But yeah, I'll do a little bit of a review of Daniel's car for anyone that hasn't seen it. There's a few videos of it at Calder Park from a while ago. But it's XR8, it's manual, it's got a hydro, it's got some Mad Monza seats. The doors in the back and that are all stripped. There's cages everywhere, or cage everywhere. There is a big ass fuel cell in the back, underneath all that. Yeah, thing's pretty mad though. Yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching as always, guys. If you watch this far, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, do all that shit, share it around, tell your mates. Yeah, stay tuned. Stephen's just ripping out the tail shaft because he's done a few tack welds now that's in there and it's true. He's going to rip it out, clean it all up, weld it up. We know it's not going to be 100% balanced, but that is okay. Wear eye protection, people.
Hey?
How's your eye protection?
I always wear eye protection.
Got him on?
Yeah.
He's got the contact lenses. Okay, well, I'm basically going to have this as close as I can to me here. And nice. As we go,
For a minute, like I want to get set.
I'm just explaining quickly. As we go, he's going to wait, but I'm done now. That's going to be in my video. Right here. I'm going to start going really slowly in a second. Maybe out. I think I feel that slow I'm going. I need to be like.
You gotta remember that Earth's gonna flip over as you go into.
Do it without a mask.
No, do it with a mask. I'm better off doing it with a mask.
I'm better off doing it with sunnies. Ready? 3, 2.
Hold it there for a sec. I'm just going to buff it back so it's flat and fuck it back. It's all one weld that'll do.
Woo! Tail shaft is done! Balance to fucking perfection. What was that? Where was it? Daniel's getting all the filthy stickers on. Oh, lucky it hasn't got any swear words. Oh, I don't know why I was grinding it down, but leave him be. Let's chuck these over here. Oh, I think that's about it for the night. Stay tuned for part 3. I don't know if I'm going to include this in the middle of part 2 and part 3, or if I'll upload at the same time as part 3. But yeah, it's Thursday. I'll be uploading part 2 on Friday night. We'll be starting to work on it again Friday night, so part 3 is not far away. Again, as always, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Peace. Turn my lights on. your lights on. Oh, you can't? Yeah, full lock. Straight a bit. Oh. You can go that way a bit. You can go that way a bit. Yeah, there's tons of room on that side. You won't be able to get out. Yeah, now. Beautiful. Tons of room. And that's that. See you later. Well, I thought it was the end of the night, but Stephen keeps going, so it's going to go cut from here to there to everywhere in the ending here, but he's welded it up and he's about to slap it in. And there it is. It's not perfect, but it's definitely fine for drifting.
Ah, it's fucking really hot still.
Well, that is that. It is in. Are you coming? Are we doing stuff Friday night here?
Friday night?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna wire this thing up myself.
Yeah, Bill's taking his time, so we'll see how we go. We might end up attacking the wiring ourselves tomorrow night. And then we've just got to put a cage in it.
I've lost me nut.
You lost your nuts.
I lost a nut.
What about your marbles? Does that help?
I lost them a while ago.